I don't know. So me do the right thing.
It's the fucking hot. What you say about the hot? The song is not a girl singing about it. I don't know, so the hot have to roll out for them. One time for the girls, them look at the girls and love the hot. You see me, I say. You hear me, I say the girl.
Reaction.
Boom, boom, boom. What's good to me? Say boy, Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction. Blast! And I'm back in if you could another video for you guys. Now today we're back in Trinidad. We're going people. We have Toppy boss today. Song called Out This World. Official music video. And the crowd goes wild. Right now I want to say all the big batty girls for walking the party 1 and 2 sets right now. And leave a like for the door. You see me I say? If you enter the party, you have to like the video. You see me I say? So the like button. Admission, like button. You see me I say? Enjoy yourself in the comment section. You see me I say? Talk to 2 girls in the comment section. Tell them to them body big and baiting in the comment section. You see me I say? So comment on the video to see your comment right over the next video I post. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Well, you can see what I'm going for this song right now, people. When check it out, but we see the little teaser on Instagram. You can see what I'm going. We see a big color graphic and go on. You can see what I'm going. Color great. God!
Everything I know this THC shit, man. Key as hell.
I have on my shirt today.
I remember the good times and the bad times.
Yeah.
And the sad times too.
Alright, speak up yourself.
Fiction music must be real.
Alright.
Man older, man wiser now.
Yeah.
Take it to the hoop, James harder now.
Yeah.
The youths them love me I don't know.
Yeah.
So me do the right thing and take it down.
Right there, just yo, man older, man wiser now. Yo, run back a little bit. Listen.
Man older, man wiser now.
Yeah.
Take it to the hoop, James harder now.
Yeah.
The youths them love me.
No. Take it to the basketball. Go on.
I don't know. So me do the right thing.
It's the fucking hot. What you say about the hot? The song is not a girl singing about it. I don't know, so the hot have to roll out for them. One time for the girls, them look at the girls and love the hot. You see me, I say. You hear me, I say the girl them love the hot, you know. But you hear me, I say, man. It's not a girl song, this is me, I say. We're out this world. Right now, this is out this world. So I'm going to go I go on. Run it!
And take it down. Man murder any instrumental. Flow kinda special. Special with the metal. Metal when them want eagle pick him like.
The dog say murder any instrumental. The flow kind of special. God!
Metal. History sentimental. Hear the pain and I'm in this vocal. That I'm a young one. When next year come around, swear I'ma make it a better one.
Ciao! Boom, boom,
buy a knife and cut off fake friend. Me don't need another one. I'm out this way.
Cut off why we could fake enemy. Cut off why I could fake for them. It's fucking hot to the yard. Is that a girl song? You see me I say. The second enough have the hot something there go on. What the reaction boss glass there? How the reaction boss? Yo, hold on there. Oh, my little brother diabetic got school today. I have a glass there. Yeah, America don't have too much things to look up in them in the dark. Every day, ooh, today we have swimsuit there. Ooh, today we use pajamas there. Ooh, we don't know to bumbo cloth and go. Every day I students have to wear gas school. When we used to go to school, uniform me have to wear. Uniform. Everybody knows the same thing like so I got bumbo class. Hey. Go on.
I know. I'm out this world. I'm out this world. I'm out this world. King, God, dance all messy. Christopher Reeve, we do this. This world I know. I'm out this world. King, God, dance all messy. Christopher.
It asks a king, God, dance all messy. And just I realize say, yo, the song's called Out This World, you see me I say, and the little, cause I don't like it, I not gonna lie to you, I don't like the little color thing, the little, you know, the little space thing I go on. But me get why them edit the video that way. The song is called Out This World, the story is basically saying Out This World, so them could like saying in a space or in a Mars or whatever. You see me I say? So I get the stars and anything, but I don't like that little color thing there. To me, I don't like that video clean, so I say if they actually use the actual like video itself and not put all of them little sitting in a stars or thing, it would have bad. to the bother in my eyes. You see me, I say, I don't know why. I'm not sorry.
We do the stepping. Me
good
not
still.
joke, no, me not Tommy.
Yeah.
Got killers on the Joseph body.
Yeah.
You got beef with many men.
Look at that
Them
clip.
silly
You see me?
men. Me rather
And then
bring
look
my
on this
gun
side.
and get offspring.
See that?
Get a youth start
So me
money
talk
men.
about, he good, he
Call
bad,
them
he
nickel.
bad, he bad. But that's my opinion. You see me, I say, go on.
This a letter to me young one. But next year come around, swear I'ma make it a better one. Buy a knife and cut off fake friend, me don't need another one. I'm out this world right now. I'm out this world right now. I'm out this world right now. I'm out this world. Man older, man wiser now. Take it to the hoop, James harder now. The youths them love me, me I don't know.
So
So me do the right.
loving me, I idol. Yes, I think the accent now with the youth, them loving me, I idol. Him say that, but he say me, I idol now. You sound like an idol my ear. But no, say I idol. Him say the youth, them loving me, I idol now. But just like say, the youth, them loving me, I idol now. You see me? Like a dot me, I ear, dog. We don't know why. But yeah, as me say still, I look on the video, dog. Watch your style.
Cut off fake friend, me don't need another one.
Pre-write this.
I'm out this.
Pre-write this. You see me? If I like a quality thing, I never really the dog. If I go on just so. You know me staring in the mirror to look at Trinidad song them sometime in the dog and the video them. And I say, I Trinidad this? Oh yes, I look so. You see me? I say, this would be one of the video them. If they look at quality thing, never really go on there. I say, Bumbo Clark, the dog, they are LA. Look for the palm tree them at the background. You see me? This would be one of them video dog. I go on so dog. But you see me? Yeah. We get why them do it, but me just don't like it. My honest opinion. You see me? That's me, that's still. Go on!
Do the right thing and take it down. Man murder any instrumental. Flow a kinda special. Special with the metal. Metal bend him up. Eagle pick him like petal. History sentimental. Hear the pain in on me vocal.
The man I rap dance now. You see me? I said, the man on the DJ dance that man make you know the bullet clean. King Toppy people. I don't know. I say big up Archie, big up everybody. I me I say. King Bumbuckler, Toppy boss in the building. Want to know about that? And reaction boss just giving a bad Bumbuckler reaction. Right now, want to like up the video right now. Drop some fire emoji in the comment section. Tell me your honest opinions on the song and the video itself. You know, I start giving my honest opinion right now. You see me? I start nitpick things. You see me? I say, that's the thing there right now. You see me? We still listen to the song name, Martin. We still like up the thing. You don't know the chap going on, but we start making you know what we really think over here. I say, because I reaction boss not play with people. Right now, we have to subscribe to the channel. Get me to 10K over here, so. And go subscribe to the main channel. You know, see what I'm going over this already. I'm not for sure no 40 more. No, see what I'm going over this already. Tickers. Go over the Bumbuckler main channel at Tyrekevlogs. Go subscribe. We're 100 subscribers away from 49,000. You hear me? I say. So that means 101. 1,100 subscribers away from 50K. And that you really tell me. Rascal. Go subscribe. Reaction boss. Signing out. Man older, man wiser now. Hey! Me either now. Bumbuckler Toppy song gone. Be gone. Peace.